Are you looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Cherokee Limited in bright white. With LED daytime running headlamps, 18-inch polished aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, LED tail lamps, bright exhaust tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,098 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, audio jack input for mobile devices, rear 60/40 folding split recline seat, Jeep cargo management system, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5291.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.